Hi there, students. Okay, in this video I'm going to look at the adjectives fatuous, risible and puerile. Okay, these all mean stupid, silly, but they all have slightly different nuances. If something is fatuous, it's ridiculous, but in a self-satisfied way. So that this is saying that you're satisfied, you're happy with your stupidity. So, I don't know, the clown takes the eggs and he's really worried that they're going to be safe. And he puts them safe under a 10-ton weight, with a 10-ton weight hanging over them. And then he gives the audience a fatuous smile. He's really content, he's really happy about the place that he's put them. Okay, so this fatuous, something that's fatuous is something that's stupid, it's ludicrous, but the person who says it or thinks this is happy with things like that. They think that is the solution. Okay, the next one, risible. Let's see, risible means laughable, something that you can laugh at. Risible doesn't have to be negative, but very often we do use it. His idea that he's going to learn English in 10 days is risible. And if he's content about it, this is his solution, it's also fatuous. So risible, laughable. The idea that he's going to be able to walk home 63 miles after the party is risible. Yeah, it's just ridiculous. Notice as well, you actually have risible muscles. These are the muscles that make you laugh. Well, you could interpret it two ways. He's got risible, tiny little muscles that are laughable, but he also has risible muscles, the laughing muscles. So something that is risible is so ludicrous, so ridiculous, so stupid that it makes you want to laugh. Yeah, if you tell people, they will think it is risible. The risible new policy of the government, that it's clear it's just not going to work. It's laughably stupid. And then the final word, puerile. Puerile means childlike. This actually comes from Latin. We have the Latin word puer, which means a boy. So puerile is stupid, childlike. It's stupid in a childlike way, so silly that it's childlike. Very often children are satisfied with their silly answers to things, and then again we would go back to fatuous, and maybe that fatuosity makes them risible as well, makes you want to laugh. Yeah, but puerile, childish, unsophisticated, naively stupid, naively silly. Let's see, schoolboy jokes. These are puerile jokes. These are not sophisticated jokes. So something that's puerile, it's childlike and unsophisticated. Let's see, fatuous, stupid, but in a smug or self-contented way. Risible, laughable, makes you want to laugh. And puerile, childlikely stupid. Yeah, naive and unsophisticated. So as I said, puerile comes from the Latin puer, a boy. Risible, well, in Spanish we have the word risa, and I'm sure in Italian as well, meaning to laugh, laughter. And maybe you could fill us in with the origin of the word fatuous. You could do that in the comments section. What about formality? Let's see, fatuous. I'd probably give this 6.5, even 7 in formality. It sounds literary. I think maybe I would use the phrase smug, ridiculously smug informally. Risible, again, I think maybe 7, 7.5. I think it's probably the least common of these three words. Again, it sounds very literary. I would use laughable informally, ridiculous. And then puerile, I think I'd probably give it a 6.5 to 7 in formality. Notice, I think I have a standalone video about puerile, and I'll put that in the end screen, so there's some sort of link there. Puerile formality, yeah, I'm going to give it 6.5, 7, maybe even 7.5. Childish, ridiculously childish, naive, something like that. Okay, so fatuous, risible, and puerile. Notice risible. I might have given out a few S's, but it should be a Z sound, risible. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If it was fatuous, puerile, or risible, let me know. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.